Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to update the Play Store app on our phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to update the Play Store app on our phone, we'll be required to open the Play Store app itself, guys. We will be able to update the Play Store app from the Play Store app itself. Now in order to proceed from over here on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. At the bottom of the list, just above the help and feedback, tap on settings and we will land over here where you can see the about option available for us. Just at the bottom of the list below the family, tap on the about section and this kind of interface will appear. And if you scroll up a little bit, you can see, guys, under the second last option where it says Play Store version, there is the update Play Store option available for us. Now in order to update the Play Store app, if your Play Store app on your phone requires an update, it will be updated, but if not, let's tap on it. You can see, guys, my Google Play Store app is up to date, so I won't be required to update it. But in your case, if it requires an update, simply tap on update Play Store and your Google Play Store app will be updated on your phone momentarily. And with that being said, guys, this is how to update the Play Store app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.